Hi, my name is Martello Melville, founder and CEO of Jajari Herbal Limited, a company that formulates novel nutritional supplements with a complex mix of micronutrients that promotes healing and wellness in persons suffering with various conditions. Unlike any other brand, Jajari Herbal is divinely inspired, tastes great, and effective as per consumer testimonials. Awesome, amazing, satisfaction guaranteed. We can help to restore nutritional balance to the world. Yes, we can.